Hi, I'm Snivy, and this is the Pokemon News. Achoo! As I was saying, achoo! Okay, it seems you've already met our special guest. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pichu. Thanks for having me on the show, but I just want to warn you, I can get a little, sneezy. We know. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Achoo! Heh, sorry, sneezes. Can you please just control your sneezing or something? Because I need to ask you, what are your achoo? Heh, sneezes again. Okay, just stop sneezing, and then we can get this over with. Okay, Pichu? Now, what are your thoughts? Achoo! Don't worry, I'm fine. Whoa, how did you make that awesome Michael Bay exploding sound effect just by hitting the ground? It's a secret art practiced by Pichus for generations. Really? Cool. Can you teach me how to do that? I guess. Maybe. Probably. Of course, I'll teach you how to make awesome explosion sound effects. Oh, I'm so happy I could... Achoo! Oh my gosh, Pichu, why are you so big? That's because I'm a Pikachu now. Snivy, I cannot teach you the ways of the Pichu, because now I shall join my brother and sisters and learn the way of the Pikachu.